What's up, everybody? It's Big Ol' Big Boy. Happy nighttime. I got you a free QR code right here, and you already see what we're about to be opening. So, let's dig up into this chilling rain if I can. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, we got it. We got it. I hope you all are having a good day today, a good nighttime. We're about to be going to bed. Well, maybe not you, but I am. We didn't get a good QR code, but maybe we can still get a little bit of something. Something with a good art, maybe. Nope, no luck today. Alright, guys, thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the morning, so good night. Bye.